Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure your WhatsApp app is completely updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store, whether that's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any pending updates for WhatsApp. This is crucial because PASSKEY login is a newer feature and older versions won't support it. Step 2. Open WhatsApp and tap on your settings menu, which is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Then look for the account option in the settings menu. This is where you'll find all your security and authentication options. Step 3. Within account settings, look for the security option and tap on it. You should see a new feature labeled PASSKEY or biometric authentication. Select this option to begin the setup process for PASSKEY login. Step 4. You'll be prompted to register your device using your phone's existing biometric data, which could be your fingerprint or face recognition. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the authentication verification to confirm it's really you. Step 5. Once your PASSKEY is registered, test it out by signing out of WhatsApp and then signing back in. Instead of entering your password, you'll use your fingerprint or facial recognition, which is way faster and more secure than typing a password every single time.